freesubdomain.org. You've registered your domain here, and you're saying you have the details on your
My US.
pen drive. So let's have a look.
It's on Ilat.
Okay.
Uploaded some this bit, and then I
Free subdomain activation, right? Okay. So that's the details you have.
It's got my password. Okay,
It's fine. But no, I can't see the link and the
This is this, right?
okay. We go to cPanel. I mean, no. Here is your FTP details. It's fine.
Okay.
You're using. Okay, I just probably go from this is your username. That's your password. So, and I think your FTP username is the same, isn't it? FTP username is the same. But if you want to see it clearly, let's go here and then it's fine. So here we go, and you have your details here, which is this. Yeah. Now you know your password, so you put in. So here we go, and I think this is what we are referring to, your FTP username and password. So we'll go and start FileZilla, which is.
I think Leslie was wanting to know what FileZilla we download on our own computers with this for this.
FileZilla. She has. I think her McAfee is stopping that. So that's your FileZilla now. Again, so we have this, right? So you need to. We can close this file. We just don't need it anymore. Yeah, we just.
So just go to my cPanel and get it.
Yeah, you can copy it from your cPanel. It's just here. So if I minimize that here. So your go on. The FTP host name, which is ftpuk.tn. Yeah.
So that's the FTP.
Yeah. That's the host name. Yeah. And then you have your FTP. Click on it. FTP username. And then you have your password is the same. Yeah. I don't know whether you understand. FTP is just connecting to another machine with the username and password, right? It's a remote login. It's like a remote login, but FTP does not give you any further access, but just to create and delete folders. Does that make sense? When I use a different software, not an FTP software, but a software like PC Anywhere or TeamViewer or a desktop support, then I get access to that complete machine. Does that make sense? But the concept is same. The concept behind is the same. You are accessing another machine somewhere whose IP address you are aware of. You need a username and password so that that machine knows who you are. So you're connecting. But the only difference in FTP is it only gives you a restrictive access. It only allows you to create folder, upload files and download files in that specific folder. Does that make sense? Whereas when you do a remote login, you get the slightly more control of the machine depending on what that user permissions are. Does that? And I don't know if you know, this is also known as VPN, the virtual private networks. That is not an FTP software, but all around the world, they work on private networks. You know, I can be sitting at home and access ELAT's network, but they will give me a username and password and IP address to connect to, which means I can access the resources from wherever I am. But they all use the common technology. Like all this concepts uses the same technology, but some parts are different. Does that make? Yeah.
I did the click connect, but it says I didn't
Done.
type enough.
It's here. It's fine. Go to HT-Docs. Just go this side. That's your remote. Just click on that. It'll connect again. If it's closed, it's right.
Okay, so anytime it closes, you click on HT.
Usually it will. Sometimes it does a quick out and then in. Does that make sense? So that's fine. So that's your HT-Docs. On this side, you're exemplified.
Yeah. This is my folder with all my stuff. So select all of this.
Yep. Yep.
And then
just drag
it to this bit.
Yep. Here you go. So you have around 100 files. But can you see it's very quick. FileZilla is very quick. It's a direct access to that. You go. You can go back, and if you're locally changing something, you can only upload that file. Just drag that file, or you can drag the whole thing again. It'll tell you the overwrite message will come. So you just say overwrite. So whatever page you are changing it locally, you can always upload that again. Just 15 files left. Okay, while it's doing it, let's go to your server thing. Yeah, cPanel. Go to your my databases. You go up or down probably. No, just this side you will have. It's my SQL databases.
Okay.
So click on that. Yeah. So create a database. Put the name here. Create. Yeah. Yeah, it's done. If you go down, scroll down, it would be there, right? And if you click on admin, it will take you to the PHP my admin or that. Yeah. Here, just import. Choose. Yeah. Go down. Green means done. Does that make sense? Click on the UKTN up there. You will see your tables. No, next one. Yeah. So that's your tables, right? So that's your tables done. So your database is uploaded. Now the only problem is that the file manager, Terry is here, but the file manager is not working. So you can close this window because we don't need this window anymore. We just leave this open because we're going to need the user, the database name. Does that make sense? Yeah. So let's go. Your files. No. Just wait. Go to FileZilla. Your files are done, right? So that means everything is uploaded. Let's go to connections.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, got two.
I should have one.
Anyways, you'll have to.
I don't need this one. I don't need that.
You need good music.
Yeah, that's the only one that I need.
Okay, so we need to make sure that we change. Do you want to make a copy?
A copy of good music?
Yeah.
And just.
It won't let you do a copy there. You'll have to do it on your local, and then you can upload again.
Okay, so.
Go to your connections here, on the local side. That's that.
This one?
Yeah.
Inside here?
Yeah, there's connections down there, isn't it?
Okay.
Double click. Now copy it here. Just copy.
And then
Paste.
Even though it's highlighted?
It's not right clicking and pasting, is it? The FileZilla doesn't allow. Okay, no. It's fine. We just go back to your. It should actually. It's fine. Don't worry. Don't worry about that. Minimize this. We go back to your folder basically, which is here. That's connection. So this you don't. But it's okay. I'm not gonna.
No, you can delete it because it has nothing much.
Okay. This one I'm just making a copy. The reason I'm keeping a copy is I'm gonna make changes to the original. So edit with Notepad++. That's the file. So this one. This is the details you have. Yeah.
I'm gonna put that inside there.
So that's your MySQL host. So that needs to come out. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
That's your host name. So you put that instead of localhost. It's okay. That page will come back. Copy. If you click on Notepad from the down. Yeah. Yeah. No. You have to click here. Take your database name because it's not the same, right? So the tables are same in that, but the database name is not the same. To change that up. Yeah. Lovely. Username is there.
Okay.
Go back here. The username is there.
This one.
Yeah.
And
Password is whatever you have the password as. Yeah.
And then nice one.
Just save that.
Everything else is okay.
Yeah, everything is. You will not touch anything else. Just save this file. File. Save. Close it. So now if you go back to your FileZilla, um, refresh that folder.
This one.
Yeah, right click on this and just say refresh. No, just right click. Refresh. Right, so there's a copy and there's original, but the good music one, just drag that here, the original.
The
Not
original, this
yeah
one? The
yeah
one that's
just
behind
drag it here.
Okay.
Overwrite. Okay, does that make sense? It says overwrite. Yes, overwrite. Done.
Now it should just be
Done. It's
Okay.
done. It's done. Your website is up. So what you just have to do is go to your browser and test it. Do you remember the
Example. I can't.
exemplified uk.tn, isn't it?
Yeah.
.uk.tn.
Please look into your C panel.
Is it X capital?
Yeah, it was. I think it was.
I don't know what your username. Let's go to see what is it. You have that link in your, or you don't have an index file.
Oh no, I do have an index file.
Oh no, I know what
It's
your
index
index is.
14.
I capital.
It might be, yeah. It's not supposed to be.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
But then that means if I change that, then all your links need to change. Does that make?
Yeah.
All your links would have to change.
Okay.
That's why it's not working.
So no capital.
No capitals. Okay, well, I'm going to change that here. I'm going to rename this file, but this index will not work from the rest of the pages. Does that make sense?
So I need to do it again. I need to upload everything again because I need to change my files.
Yeah. No capitals, no spaces. Let's go back to home and see what's your.
It's lowercase.
Does the name have to have the name of the website we're doing, or can I just do generic? Or for this project, does it have to have the same as the
Your
website?
page is not opening. It's fine. Is the first page also linked to the database?
The first page, yes, it is. Because it's a PHP page, it's got all the record, all the record sets on there.
Because I don't want this one to be just the
Are you sure?
website I'm doing. So eventually I'm going to do an HTML page with my links. So I don't
That
want
was the folder, right?
to say to my website because then obviously screw my name. So can I just do so whatever it is? That's fine, but it doesn't have to be. Yeah, I might do that just so it's still there. Thank you.
It is uploaded.
Shall I take this away and make this lowercase and then come back?
I yeah, we'll have to upload again. But okay, I think most of you have got lot many things. Capital letters. You've got a lot of
Yeah.
things. The Linux server will not understand capitals and spaces. It's case sensitive. Windows is not case sensitive, but Linux is case sensitive. Does that make sense? So if the names have been written down, I think you've written them down fine. But no, this might be the cache within us. Does that make sense? It doesn't necessarily mean that it's not working. We'll have to just check on somebody else's machine that
Shall I check on my laptop?
mine, yeah, or on her laptop where, or maybe Alex. Alex, do you want to try exemplified uk.tn? Because you're using your own little broadband. No. You're using the dongle to use to have internet, isn't it? You're not connected to ELAT's wireless, isn't it? So her IP address is different. So maybe just try the URL. If it works, then it's fine. Otherwise, it's just the cache which is blocking. Yeah.
Should I take this out?
Yeah.